Welcome back to Racing Retro. Great to have you with us again. Just had a proper little stunner arrive from Asia. Not him. It's a Japanese import. So if you are a fan of two-stroke bikes, you're going to have to stick around for this one. So before we get started, just wanted to say a genuine thank you to everyone that's bothered to subscribe and to comment. Tom's Workshop, thanks very much, mate. Give his channel a watch, it's really, really entertaining. Jimmy from Denmark, we're international. Hi, Jimmy and your pals, thank you very much. Oscar, thank you very much to everyone. So here she is, Yamaha TZR250 3MA3, not sure, 1989. This one's just got 2,703 kilometers on it. Absolutely amazing. I love this bike. So what you're getting with a TZR250 reverse cylinder, well, you're getting the carburetors at the front, exhaust coming out the rear of the cylinders, exiting under the seat, just like the GP bikes of the 90s.
F1 that Kaczynski and Cadalora.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Question is this the best incarnation of a TZR250? In my opinion, absolutely yes. What do you think?
What was the last model then? What was that?
The 3XV.
3XV.
3XV. I think this is nicer than the 3XV. I think the 3XV shared some parts with the TZ250 race bike, didn't it?
Oh, did it?
Case, possibly crankcases or something. Right. So looking round, it is in really, really good condition. The stickers on it are good. There's a couple of marks to a decal. Was it decal they wanted it saying like that? Decal? Decal. So, yeah, we've got a couple of marks just here, a couple of scuffs there, but other than that, the paintwork is absolutely amazing on this. And you can tell it's done nothing. If you look at the forks, they're in amazing condition. Brake discs, wheels, it's just mainly dust. It's beautiful. And we are very lucky, so the hand blisters, are they called hand blisters? You get hand blisters. No cracks, no damage, all original panels. This is absolutely stunning little thing. It hasn't suffered like most 90s sports bikes and had its back end hacked off. We've still got the original reflector on this. That's a really nice touch. So as we come around this side of it, again, it's just the paintwork is in such good original condition. There's not even a mark on this side. We're really, really lucky. Same here. Unlike the other side, these decals, these stickers, absolutely perfect. Now then, so as with the NC30, we did notice when it arrived that the frame has got some marks on it. Now, we've learnt from the NC30 that this is probably marks to the anodizing. So we're going to have to make a decision whether to live with this or to strip it down like we're doing with the NC30 and repair these marks. Now we do know how to do this now and we can make a very good job of it. It's just whether we go to that extent on this one.
Did the 3MAs ever have upside down forks or were they just always the sort of right way around?
Yeah, the later ones had upside down forks. I think it was a 3MA 5. Is it a 5? I think it was a 3MA 5 had upside down forks and the SP version, which was really nice. I had one of them once. It was an amazing bike. It cost me about 1,500 quid. I think with this miles on, this is too good an opportunity to miss doing an absolute full nut and bolt restoration. Let's get the frame done. Let's get the hangers done, the swing arm clean. So one question we did have, wheels. Now these wheels are in amazing condition, but they're white. I think they should be black. Keith thinks they should be white with black wheels. What do you think? So whatever you guys decide, we'll do with these wheels. So comment below, let us know. Black wheels, white wheels. Why white wheels?
Because it's original.
I know, but...
It's as it came out the factory.
But have you seen one of these with black wheels?
I don't care. I've seen one with white wheels
and
they come out like that.
Did they though?
I'm on the fence.
Come on, okay now. Right, well we'll see what everyone says. Shall we do that?
White.
Black.
White.
So if you decide black, We'll paint them black. If you say leave them white, we'll leave them white. Deal?
White.
Deal. Pinky promise. So I think first job is to take the plastics off. Let's find out what we're dealing with. Keith's got a manual for it?
Yep.
Fantastic. That'll make life easier. Let's get going.
Hungover Keith.
What's that, mate?
Hungover Keith.
Yeah, very hungry. Yeah.
So, close look at the right and rear side panel, yeah. So it's just dust, this thing's just been sat. So, a little mark there, so a decal or a sticker, however you want to say it. We can polish this out, new sticker on that. That will then be like new. What about that side, Keith? What we're looking at, mate?
Pretty much the same.
Better, worse?
This was better. I don't think it'll need much work at all.
Fantastic. All right. Oh, okay, now, which did that? Right.
Which other one was already scrapped?
No, it's the good side, that is. Oh, no, it's not, is it? Oh, so right, okay, there's a bit done. So right-hand side panel. Same, really, just, I mean, the paintwork's in really good condition. This sticker will replace. Looks easy enough. Same with the Yamaha decal sticker on top of that. Other than that, that is in really good condition. So this one's got a, as you can see, a scuff across there. You'd never lean one over that far, Keith. It couldn't have been you, mate. But again, it's in really good condition. I think once this sticker's replaced, it's a shame really, because that's in good condition, but we'll do that. And then we've got, again, a perfect original side panel. Right then, here we are with all its clothes off. First impressions, Keith? Bit of a job on.
It's a job.
It's a job. More than you thought.
Yeah, now we took that off.
It looked really good, didn't it? Like really good condition with all the fairing on.
Well, it said, well, how old is it? What, 40 years old?
35 years old, yeah.
So,
yeah.
You know, what
so
you expect? We've sat in the shed, probably been out a couple of times. Bit of rain. You got to get
yeah. Shall we have a closer look? 250, 249cc motor. That looks rough. Really. I mean, it's just grubby, isn't it? So.
What will you do with that then?
Out. It's going to need... Look, this thing's probably not been run for God knows when the last time it was started. So it's going to need lids taken off anyway to see what's going on. I wouldn't want to start one of these without doing that. So more than likely, engine's going to come out, carbs off to be cleaned, give the engine to our guy, he can strip it down, give us the parts to clean because we can do that ourselves now, and then rebuild it. But that does look grubby. That does look grubby. Battery under there, that's neat. Do love where they used to put the battery on them. Frame wise, again, looks very similar to the NC30, probably a little bit better condition than the NC30. We do know that this will clean really well. It's just how far we decide to go with it. Exhausts, do we keep these on, or do we put some nice Tiger Performance race pipes on? Because they sound amazing when they've got them pipes on. So for me, I'll go race pipes. Let us know what you think. Because they've just bought them out and they'd make amazing things. So I think perfect really. Yeah, and then tidy these ones up. Put them in a box. Yeah. I don't think there's any other surprises really. The engine is a little bit rougher than I thought it was going to be. The exhaust's going to come off anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Radiator, It's in really good condition. Well, I'm really pleased about the radiator, so that's nice. The carbs, you know, they look same state of the engine really, so we'll strip them down, clean them up, get rid of that Japanese fuel. So yeah, a little bit of work to do, we knew that, but everything else, I think, it looks a little bit easier to work on in the NC30, but there's still a lot of work. Love this airbox at the front, that's nice. The basis of a very good restoration. So join us next time when we delve in a little bit deeper. We'll get the engine out, we'll get the exhaust off and the tank off, and we'll see where we go from there. So, goodbye from him. No, you can't say that, can you? That is f***ing fun, isn't it? No. So join us next time when we delve a little bit deeper into the TZR project. We'll be taking the engine out, the exhaust off, the tank off, and we'll start this restoration process. So look forward to seeing you next time.
Keep liking.
Subscribing. See you next Tuesday.
Off, man. I'm going out like this. Dominic, what are you doing? Look like he's filming and getting all this.
Yeah, coming in as we're doing wardrobe, we're going to have to get clippers on that one. Jesus
Like this
Christ.
forever.
Look like Clinton Baptiste, you know, from Phoenix Nights.
I've no idea. I thought you played for Chelsea.
No, yeah. I'm getting the word nonce.